going to start to steam our vegetables. You can see these vegetables are so colorful. They look great. They're all prepped and ready to go. Here they are. Dissolve. Evaporate. Okay, there's some garlic. It's going to kind of perfume our vegetables, and the steamer goes in. And the first things that are going in are carrots. Let's turn this way up. And the broccoli. Okay, those are going to start to steam. I'm going to put the lid on so they cook evenly. And that's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes.